it's Alaina Rivers, and these are the Backyard Gypsy videos. Okay, so this is so simple that like even my kids can make it. So they're going to be the ones to show you. So first you're going to take 1 cup of sugar, and I pre-measured it for them. Now this is just plain white sugar. You can use like sugar in the raw if you want more of a exfoliant type. Go ahead and just stick it under your bowl so that the wind doesn't blow it away. Okay, and then a 1/2 cup of organic coconut oil. And then a squirt of vitamin E oil. You can do 1 or 2 squirts. Alright, and I find that the best method is just get in there with your hands and stir it.
It's hard. It's hard to mix some.
It's the coconut oil, it's not very soft.
It's hard. No, it's hard because I'm in a little bowl.
You're in a little bowl? Sorry, I gave Renee the bigger bowl. Alright, so they're just going to mix it up and we'll be right back when they're done. Okay, so now that they have it mixed in, this is what it looks like. If your coconut oil is hard, all you have to do is put it in your hand and let it melt a little bit, and then you can mix it up a lot easier. So next they're going to look through a box of essential oils and they're just going to pick what scents they want. So go ahead. You can do whatever, you can make a combination. There's one in there that's called Breathe, so if you are suffering from like a stuffy nose or something, you can always make up a Breathe scrub, and it may help. I can't say yes it is going to help or that it's going to cure anything, that's just how it is, but it smells good, and to me it opens up my sinuses a lot. So what are you guys picking? You just doing one kind?
Wild orange.
What did you pick?
But lime and grapefruit, you already got that, like, smell good?
What is it?
Grapefruit and lemon. Would that smell good?
Yeah. You're just doing wild orange, that's it. You don't want to put anything else in there?
No.
Okay, that's up to you. It's your own scrub. You can also put food coloring in it if you want it colorful, but I always worry that's going to come off on my skin. So that's why I don't let them do it. Alright, start with like 5 drops and stir it around with like your clean hand. And then if you want it stronger, you just put in more.
And I don't think you want to look blue. So.
Now
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Krista, you have to tip it. That one, there you go. Just tip it a little bit.
Mine did flavor.
Go ahead, you can take one hand and stir it. That way you have a clean hand for your bottle. Sorry about my dogs barking in the background there. Barking at the horses over there. Don't screw it on tight, because if you need more, you'll have to get it off. How's yours coming?
Good.
Miss Persnickety.
But hey, it's with their hands.
This is my good hand.
That's a good hand, huh?
Oh, I'm using the wrong hand. I'm using my right. I should be using my left.
Stir it around. Give it a good stir, and then, yeah, that's it. Smell it and see if you need more. You don't want to make it real strong, because I mean, even though it does have a lot of coconut oil, and you don't want it to burn your skin, but I mean, you want it to smell good too.
Yes,
I would quit dumping.
Jeez.
Just try that. Try that. Just stir that around.
I'm gonna just use this one.
But if I need more, I could put this in.
Try to watch with the lemon. Sometimes lemon can. I don't know if they tingle your. Yeah, it's strong.
Oh.
Is it smelling good?
Nah.
Oh, I can smell your orange. It smells good.
Oh, I didn't open.
Whoop, there goes our bags.
My bad. I think I. Does that smell good?
Let me smell. Oh, I can smell yours. Yours smells good. All right, are you guys happy?
Yeah.
And I wouldn't put any more in because, like I said, you don't want it strong. All right, so now you want to make sure you put it in glass jars. You don't want to put it in plastic. You might have to push it down there.
Why can't you put it in?
Because sometimes when essential oil sits in plastic, it kind of like eats away at the toxins in it, and then you'll break down the plastic, and then you'll end up with like, I don't want to say you'll end up with pieces of it in your whatever it is you have, but it can.
Ew.
So you always use glass.
Smush it down, whatever.
And then just put your lids on,
Done.
and you're done.
Wild orange, go.
Yeah, you can even throw like vanilla extract in it too if you want it smelling like vanilla or oatmeal. You can do like oatmeal with a little bit of honey in it.
Root beer.
I think it was wild orange and honey in one, and I loved it.
Yeah.
Remember I used to scrub it on my face all the time?
Yeah.
One thing I like to do with this scrub is, for you ladies out there, when you get done shaving your legs, like you want to shower, shave your legs, and then scrub this on your legs and rinse it off, and then like when you towel off, your legs will be really, really smooth. Oh my gosh, you just fell. Blooper. As if I didn't say in the beginning of the video, it's a very informal video. So, there is another one I would like to do. It's what is it? Chocolate peppermint scrub, and that thing is like the best ever. But I had this stuff on hand, so I just told him, go ahead, we'll do our friend Renee's over in the creek right now.
My dress is wet.
Your dress is wet. I know. We're a bunch of goofballs here.
I just fell off.
I fell in the creek a second ago.
I literally tumbled over.
All right. Well, hey. Oh my goodness. You cannot sit in those chairs. Come over here real quick. Just come over here real quick.
I went to fake it. Honestly, I don't.
This seat's gonna be
I just
wet.
went like this. And
All right.
This seat's gonna be wet on me.
Thanks for watching the Backyard Gypsy videos with Alaina Rivers and us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Don't forget to like and